Hi everyone. I'm going to be talking about Chapter 7 in our textbook literacy lessons, which begins on page 69. This section is about hearing and recording sounds and words. Now, we've all been taught that phonemic awareness is very essential in reading and writing. Phonemic awareness is becoming aware of the sounds and spoken words. And when I say sounds, I mean the phonemes that make up the smallest differences between two similar words. And our book gives us the example of pupil versus people. Now, according to Clay, young children start making distinctions between sounds in as early as their infant stages. In the 1970s, research began to uncover how young children learn to isolate the phonemes of language from the flow of speech. And like I said, becoming aware of phonemes is essential for becoming good at word recognition and being able to write words. Now, successful students are able to distinguish between letters and then link sounds to those letters. However, we're all here because some of our students find it difficult to separate the sounds of language. Now, if you'll turn with me to page 70 in our textbook, I found a quote that I wanted to share with you. It says, authors of a recent study concluded that alphabetic instruction without phonemic awareness was not as effective as alphabetic instruction with phonemic awareness. What seems to matter are the activities where phonemes are blended and segmented in speech, then connected explicitly and systematically to graphemes in print. Now, what I'm going to demonstrate to you shows you exactly this. It's going to teach you activities that you can use with your students to help them segment sounds in speech and then put those sounds with letters to help them in their writing. Hi, Andrea. How are you today?
Good.
All right, the first thing we're going to do today is practice counting syllables or hearing big chunks of sound. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, so listen to me. The first word we're going to do is dog. Watch me. Dog. There's only one syllable in dog. Let's try, you try sun.
Sun.
How many syllables?
One.
One. Good. You just clapped one syllable. You're right. Let's try a bigger word. Watch me do spider. Spider. I clapped twice, so there are two syllables in spider. Right. You try flower.
Flower. Two syllables.
Two syllables. You are correct. Let's try pencil.
Pencil. Two syllables.
You're right. Let's try a harder one. Telephone.
Telephone. Three syllables.
Three syllables. You're correct. How about elephant?
Elephant. Three syllables.
Three syllables. You're right. Let's try an even bigger word.
Okay.
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Four.
Let's try it again. Watermelon.
Four.
You're right. Four. How about, let's do one more. Television.
Television. Four.
Four syllables. You're doing really well with that. Good job. All right, today we're going to practice hearing sounds in words with these boxes called Elkonin boxes, or we could call them just sound boxes. The first word we're going to do is egg. So we're going to stretch the word out. Listen to me first, and then you repeat after me, okay? Egg.
Egg.
All right, good. Now watch me. Every time I hear a sound, I'm going to push these counters into the box. Watch. Egg. Okay, now you try this one.
Egg.
Very good. Let's try it together with cow. Let's stretch that word out. Cow. Do it again.
Cow.
Good. All right. You push the counters as I say the word. Cow. Good. All right. You try it by yourself with boy. Stretch the word first. Boy.
Boy.
Very good. Now we're going to try some words with three sounds. What is this a picture of?
A kite.
A kite. Very good. Listen to me stretch that word out. Kite. You try.
Kite.
Right. Now, as I say the word, I want you to push the counters. Every sound you hear, you're going to push the counter into the box, okay?
Mm-hmm.
You ready? Kite. Excellent. Good work. You try with cat. Say the word first.
Cat. Cat.
Awesome. How many sounds did that have?
Three.
Three sounds. We're going to try one more with three sounds. What's that a picture of?
A dog.
Dog. Say the word first.
Dog.
Good job. Good job.
Dog.
All right, let's try that one more time. You push the counters as I say the word. You ready? Dog. Did you hear all three sounds?
Yes.
All right, you try one more time.
Dog.
Now we're going to move on to some words that have 4 sounds in them. Do you know what this is a picture of?
Stove.
Stove. Say that word slowly. Stove. All right, let's do this one together. I'll say the sounds as you push the counters. You ready? Stove.
Stove. 4 words.
4 sounds. Now you stretch the word out as I push the counters.
Stove.
Let's try this one.
Clock.
Clock. Yep, that is a clock. Let's stretch that word out. Clock. You try this one by yourself.
Clock.
Good. Try one more time for me.
Clock.
Andrea, read your sentence to me.
I went home to play with my dog.
Okay, let's look at the word home. I'm going to draw our Elkonin boxes here, and we're going to stretch out that word to hear all the sounds. So say the word home.
Home.
Very good. Now I want you to use your finger and point to the boxes as you hear sounds.
Home.
All right. What sounds do you hear in that word? What sounds?
H-O-M.
Hold on, what sounds? Home.
O-H.
What sound? Good. Where do you hear that?
Right here.
What letter says
H.
H? So let's write an H in there. All right, let's stretch that word again. Home. What sound do you hear next?
O.
O. Exactly. Write an O in that box. All right. You use your finger and stretch that word again. Point to the boxes as you do it. What do you hear at the end?
M.
An M. Very good. And actually this word, to make that O say its name, has a silent E on the end. So go ahead and fix home in your sentence.